So I'm in the mountain town of Angeles. Show you where that is. Up in the mountains in the middle. Just got some kind of mystery pastry because I was told that a lot of little bakeries and stuff are really good. Got it up in here in this mountain town. It, you know, breading with some kind of syrup, and it has some sprinkles and stuff on it. Oh, huh. It's really flaky, really good. So right now I'm at Gozalandia, and there's a huge waterfall here that I'll be seeing. This place was only 10 bucks for parking. That's where we're going, down there. This is very steep right here. Woo, I'm a slip. Nice little pool here. It's a cool little hole.
All right, knock it off! We run and dance and sing and play?
My mom kind of wrote the words.
Well, they suck! What?
I gotta pee.
We've made up a good chunk of ground.
A little spritz of cool, clean mountain rain. Shake your lizard, let it drain. Move your hips and spell your name.
I got some bad news for you, Palmer. That ain't rain.
Eat your veggies, eat your starches. Lean back, boys. Go! Woo!
Kate, don't move!
Hey, Spider, we just pissed on some guy's head.
Running badge time!
About to get some barbecue at Martin's Barbecue. Well, this is MOFONGO. I've never had MOFONGO before. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. I had a little bit of a hard time talking to the people inside. I didn't brush up on my Spanish before, and I really should have. I feel bad talking to these people in English. I just hope they forgive me. Before I came, I was watching videos where they were saying you can get by without knowing Spanish. Barely. Almost everything is in Spanish.
Mofongo is a traditional Puerto Rican dish that consists of mashed plantains and pork or chicken, seasoned with garlic and spices. I've been using the word mofongo for a long time, but I didn't really know it was a dish. The only time I would say it is whenever I lose my phone and I'd go, "Where mofongo?"
That's pretty good. I give the pork like a, I think 7 out of 10, but the MOFONGO, which I've never had, so I can't really compare it to anybody else's, it is definitely like a 9. It's pretty good.
Love me!
Lovers never ask you. The hills are gone gay. It's Culture Club. I had a new wave face.
Yes, we really wanna hurt you. Yes, we really wanna make you cry. Precious kisses, words that burn me. Lovers never ask